Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use school glue. To begin, always make sure your surfaces are clean and dry. School glue is incredibly versatile, perfect for paper, fabric, and many craft projects. For best results, apply a thin, even layer to one surface. This prevents oversaturation and ensures a strong, lasting bond. Remember, a little goes a long way to achieve a neat and effective adhesion for your creative endeavors. When applying school glue, technique matters. For larger surfaces, use a brush or a flat tool to spread a consistent, thin layer. If you're working on small details or intricate designs, the nozzle can be used directly, or a toothpick offers excellent precision. Remember, too much glue can cause paper to wrinkle and will take much longer to dry, potentially weakening the bond. Aim for just enough to cover the surface. Understanding drying times is crucial for strong bonds. Most school glues will feel dry to the touch in about 30 minutes, but don't be fooled. For a truly strong and fully cured bond, you'll need to allow a full 24 hours. During this time, consider using clamps or placing a heavy object on your project. This pressure helps ensure the pieces adhere firmly, creating a durable and lasting connection for your finished work. Proper cleanup and storage will keep your workspace tidy and your glue ready for next time. If you have a wet spill, simply wipe it up immediately with a damp cloth. For dried glue, warm water and a little gentle scraping usually do the trick on most surfaces. Always store your school glue tightly capped at room temperature. This prevents it from drying out, ensuring it remains effective for many future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.